Hey guys, Vix here, and in today's video we are back with the free pit bike build series. And as you guys know, we are turning this thing into a street legal mini supermoto, and today is a big day for the build. As you guys can see, we have the front and rear supermoto tire. The front one finally got here, so that is awesome. And I'm really hoping that they do fit. My only worry is the rear tire, because it kind of looks a little bit too big, but we're gonna try it anyway. But the front tire does look mint, just lining it up with it. But as you guys know, in the last video, we made this thing look like a pit bike, how it does right now. We put on the plastics, a new throttle, the gas tank, everything like that. If you guys saw the last video, you guys saw that the throttle was sticking really bad, but it fixed itself. I mean, I've been making sure that I won't do it again, and it's really just been working great. And also the carb isn't leaking anymore, so that is awesome. But alongside putting on the tires today, we're also going to be trying to mount up our brake light and blinkers, along with unboxing a new package that we got and mounting it up. But what I want to do right now is open up the box and take out all this wrapping. All right, there we go. So here is the first look at the front tire. Let's line it up, see how she looks. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Yeah, I definitely think that this one's gonna work perfect. Even came with the inner tube, so that's good. I'm so excited to put these two on. It's really just gonna make the bike basically what we're doing, a supermoto. I'm also wondering if it's gonna raise up the height a little bit, because I mean, this back tire is pretty big, so I'm just really hoping that it fits. But as you guys can tell, this front tire completely shot, but the back tire, she's still got some life to her. And we might as well make some use of it while we're getting rid of it. Got too much power for the board. Well, I was definitely hoping to do a cooler burnout. I mean, I got some rubber off, but not that much. She's got too much power. But anyway, let's get to work and get those new tires on and get this thing looking sweet. So I just got off the rim, and what I am going to do is just clean it up a little, try and shine her up while it's off. This is why I guess it was deflated. The valve stem was ripped off of the tube, so that'll definitely cause a nice blowout. And yes, before I do get comments, I am using flathead screwdrivers as my tire spoons, I guess you could say, because that's just what I got. I'm working with what I got. So I really hope I don't pinch the tube or anything, because I do have a record of pinching tubes on dirt bike tires. But I'll clean this up, then we'll throw on the front tire. Alrighty guys, so I was just shining up our rim here. And so I kind of line it up with the tire. And this rim is extra way bigger than this tire. And if I'm not wrong, our rim shouldn't be at almost the outside of the tire here. So this absolutely sucks. So that is definitely not gonna work. I mean, I could always return the tire and get a refund. Or I might be able to get a smaller rim and match it to this tire. I still need to think about it, but I don't understand why it doesn't fit, because it's the exact same size as it should be as the old tire, but the sidewalls on these are too big. Tires always confuse me, but if you guys can help me out, DM me on Instagram. It'll be on the outro of this video. All my social medias will. If you guys know where the heck I can get a pair of Supermoto rims that'll fit this 2003 Honda XR70. This is the size of the old tire here. So if you guys know, that'll be a really big help. So I guess this thing's gonna have no front tire for now, and I gotta try the back tire. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but it's worth a shot. So I guess we'll just start taking off this back tire now and try it out. So I just got the back tire off, and I have this thing rigged up on the stand for now because there's no skid plate on it, and it's pretty unbalanced. So I got the mini bike helping keep it up. And now let's take off this old tire. So I'm trying to take off this tire, but I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I struggle to do tire changes. It's one of my weaknesses. So, I mean, I could already tell that that tire ain't gonna fit. So what I'm gonna do is probably just gonna bring it to a shop, get it done for like 50 bucks. It's just totally worth it. Even though I'd like to do all the stuff by myself, the tires I'm just gonna need some help with, and I need to just order new ones anyway, or just new rims that fit those tires. We'll just see what I can find. So I want to do the brake light and blinkers when the tire's hooked up, so I can actually have the brakes functioning, so I can tell where to put it and everything. And that box requires the tire to be on, of course, so can't do that either. So I'm going to be ending the video here, and this video probably is a little bit short, so I am going to go ahead and add in some of the quad riding that we did when I took the RM125 on its first drive, or ride I should say. But guys, stay tuned for a possible amazing thing coming to the channel, possibly within the next video or soon. It might be one of the greatest things I've ever done. But anyway, guys, enjoy the quad riding and racing. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, friends with the channel. Woo! Oh, we're going on the beginner? Alright. My first time on the Grizzly. Man, this thing rips for utility. Still no goggles on, by the way. Man, this thing's smooth. The ride's really nice. Low key almost flipped. Are we going to advanced? Yeah, we are. Oh god, here we go. Quad on the advanced track. I really don't want to flip this thing. Oh god, I really gotta put on those goggles. I keep saying it. Oh Jesus. 30. Ooh. Woo! We're going on the scrambler now. Oh boys, 850. Here we go. That was insane. That is a crazy pull. 850 cc's onto me. Oh my god, that is such a nice feeling to just full throttle it. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna do a race. I can't get the RM to start, so I'm gonna be on the Grizzly, Sean's gonna be on the Scrambler, and Dylan's gonna be on the Renegade. I got the lowest CC's. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna lose.
Dylan's obviously gonna win.
Alright, so we're gonna go to the sewing line. We're about to have a race. Dylan is probably gonna win. He's got a lot more experience and the race quad. I think we're starting here. This is gonna be sketchy.
Ready? I'm doing 3 laps. You guys are doing 2. When you pass that hill, that's the finish line. What? Yeah, park in here when you're done. Ready, boys? 3, 3, 2, 1, go! I got the worst line.
I'm so scared right now. I want to flip. I'm not going to push it if I don't get comfortable, you know? Yeah, I'm going to let you pass. I was just wrecked. Yeah, I can't see. Alright, this isn't safe. By the way, I still don't have goggles on. Oh, my forearm! Oh my god, my hand. I gotta take it easy. It just totally spazzed up. Just saw Dylan, he is way ahead. Me and Sean are only doing 2 laps and Dylan's doing 3. I'm coming up on the lap, on my second lap right now. And the little place where we start is the finish line. Hey Sean! And here's the finish. They pull over right in here. Wait. Oh no, that's the finish. Woo! I would stop for no reason. I would have just lost. Here's the finish. There we go. And right here is the finish line. Perfect. Victory donut? No, I can't do one. Now there's a special way to turn this off, but I don't know how. So I'll just let it idle.
Down your foot brake. Green.
Yeah.
That shut off. I fucking hit that jump so hard, I went up. When I landed, I was already going off the fucking bar. Holy shit.